this is what we'll be needing. We'll need a skeleton, a baseball bat, spray paint, a glue gun, and cones for the sirens, and this, and pipes right here. So that's what we'll be needing. Okay, so we're gonna cut his arms in the middle right there so we could use those pipes to make his arms longer. These pipes, and we're gonna do that so we could put this bat for his head. Okay, so we made the hands longer and we put the head in. Now we just gotta put the cones. Okay, so we put on his head, which are the sirens and the mouse. Now it's time to spray paint. So we painted the front of Siren head. Now we just gotta flip it over and then paint the back. So we finished painting it, and once it's done drying, we're gonna stand it up next to me to see how tall it is and to see how it looks finished. Well, that was today's video. That was making Siren head. When he stands up straight, he's almost 6 feet tall. And yeah, if you like this art and crafts, like and subscribe for more. Bye.